Do you want to enhance your skills and become a crafting expert? Would you like to earn a credible certification that will help you teach crafting classes at local facilities? The one-of-a-kind Altenew education program could be your answer. This program will help you improve your paper crafting skills, master new techniques, and redefine the way crafters learn.
I was feeling a little bit stuck with my crafting and all my cards becoming pretty much the same, and I was using pretty much the same techniques all the time. So I needed something fresh in my paper crafting and card making.
The Academy requires that you take several classes, and then at the end of each class you're supposed to submit projects based on what you learned in those classes. It's all done online. It's very flexible. The classes are available when you have time to do them, which I think makes them even more attractive.
Really enjoyed being in the program, constantly learning something new, being inspired by all the classes and instructors, receiving feedback on my work, blog, and photography. The program gave me confidence in myself and in my crafting abilities.
Since December 2017, we have been pleased to offer the Altenew Educator certification program to Altenew fans and friends across the globe. The Altenew Academy takes a systematic and self-paced learning approach to help crafting enthusiasts perfect their skills, gain recognition in the crafting community, and teach Altenew workshops. Altenew is currently the only paper crafting company that offers this service, and we are honoured to have a role in training dozens of crafting educators from around the world. When you enrol in our program, we will encourage and support you every step of the way through your crafting journey. The following participants have already embarked on their creative journey with us and have been certified through our program. We are now amazed by how much they have improved their craft since they have started, and we know you can do the same. When you join our team of educators, you will have access to exciting and exclusive educator benefits, product discounts, sponsorships, and more. Together we can work towards spreading the art of paper crafting through the community and across the globe. Find your crafting community through the Altenew Educator Certification Program. Enroll now.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!